The future is a hope, a vision, a challenge, a destination where we can make a difference. But it all depends on innovation, engineering ideas and collaboration. This is how we'll shape tomorrow. From highways to waterways, railways to airways, powered by energy from nuclear and nature, constantly transforming cities, improving lives, moving people across the UK and beyond. We're reimagining the possibilities of civil engineering, driving the digital revolution. At Atkins, there is potential to unlock, but people are the key. A special breed of graduates who want to change the world. Let's shape the future together.